In this video, I'll show you how to replace the cabin filter on a Volkswagen Passat B7 with a 2.5-liter engine. We'll need a cabin filter like this one, from the Wunder brand. It's a charcoal filter, offering enhanced antibacterial protection. This is what it looks like. And now, let's start replacing it. First we need to properly access the right side of the car, it is necessary to approach it from the passenger side. And down here, positioned clearly against the contrasting black background, you will find there are two distinct and relatively small plugs. Here is one of them, quite visible once you know where to look. And here's the second. You need to unscrew them counterclockwise. They unscrew easily. This is what they look like. Try not to lose them. After that, we simply and carefully pry up this particular part and then gently pull it out in a downward direction. This is what it looks like. Underneath here, there's a container with the filter. It needs to be removed. To do this, we take this container, slide it to the right until it stops, and then pull it out. You can see there's a bit of dust here. It'll need a wash. And then we pull out the filter itself, which is located right here. By the way, to my surprise, the filter isn't very dirty at all. We will carefully wash the electrical plug under cool, running water.
After this, we put the new filter back in its place. We put the fixing bar back in place. And then, gently slide it completely to the left side to securely fasten it into place. Continue sliding until you hear a distinct click indicating it is fully secured. There, it's in place. After this step, we will carefully put this decorative trim piece back into its proper place. And we carefully and securely screw into place the two small yet crucial plastic screws, ensuring a firm and stable attachment for the component.